Hey y'all, I am back with another meal prep video for you. Today I am making 2 breakfast options to get us ready for our week coming up. Right now I am getting started with some pancakes. Super easy. I am starting out with some complete mix. You pretty much just add some water to that to make the batter. And then just to kick it up a notch, I'm going to add in some cinnamon and some vanilla extract. Give that a good stir. And the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just gonna start making my pancakes here, and I'm making 2 types of pancakes. Right now I'm doing like a simple, this is a home style pancake, and then once I get these done, I'm just gonna put them off to the side and let them cool. So that was it for my first batter. I'm going to be moving on to my second batter here. This one, I'm going to be making some chocolate chip pancakes. I'm going to be doing the same that I did in the first one, some cinnamon and vanilla extract, and then just with that extra additional option of the chocolate chips. This I do change weekly just to give them a variety and, just to change it up a bit. So this week we are doing chocolate chips. And as you can see here, I poured my batter first and then put the chocolate chips on top. You can do that, or you can do like I'm doing right now and just put the chocolate chips straight into the batter, save you that extra step. Either way, it's gonna come out good. But this is my second batter. Like I said, I'm making 2, 1 regular, 1 chocolate chip. So I am done with my pancakes. I'm just gonna put them off to the side and let them cool. And then I'm gonna move on to my second breakfast option, which is gonna be some French toast. Right now, I am gonna be adding in 2 eggs to my cup here. I'm also gonna be adding in just a pinch of salt, just a little bit of salt, some cinnamon, vanilla, brown sugar, and then some almond milk. And then I'm just gonna mix that up. So my griddle has heated back up, is now ready for the French toast. Now is when I'm gonna put my bread into the mixture here and then flip them over, get them nicely coated, and then start cooking the French toast. I don't want to put them in the mixture too early because then they will get a little mushy and soft. I don't want them too soft. So as soon as the griddle is hot, that's when I put them in the mixture and then put them right on that griddle. And this is why having one of these is a must-have when it comes to meal prep, because you see how much I can put on here at one time. It definitely saves me so much time to get this done. So I'm saving time making it, saving time every single morning this week coming up. It's a win-win. Like, you can't lose here. So just a couple things to know about the French toast part of this. These do take a little bit longer to cook than the pancakes. Obviously, I do want to make sure that the middle of my bread is fully cooked with them eggs that I put in the mixture. So let it take its time. I had to flip these about twice before I ended up taking them off the griddle. So just check those. And this is our finished product. As far as reheating, once we're ready to eat them, we just pop them in the air fryer for a couple minutes and they're good to go. And that is it for today's meal prep video. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and thank you for watching.